Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Epson L3160 printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to change language on this printer. Firstly, you need to find the settings, then scroll right several times. To do it, you need to click on the right button. And here, you need to find second item. So as you can see, it's second from 9. Then scroll right several times and find here language. It's 4 point. Click on it and find here your language. For example, I don't know. For example, choose French. Click on it and cool, language was successfully changed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.